back, little ones. Today we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Kies die woord met a. You are going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. Ek gaan nou vir julle 3 woordjies gee en 'n prentjie en jy moet kies watter woord pas by die prentjie. Are you ready? Here we go. Lip, kus, gif. Gif. Vis, sit, hik. Ja, dis 'n vis. Lig, dis sit. Die antwoord is sit. Sif, rit, kus. Ja, dit is 'n sif. Kus, lip, gif. Lip. Lig, mik, sit. Lig is die antwoord. Dis, kus, bid. Bid is die antwoord. Mis, vis, bid. Mis. Gil, vis, pil. Die antwoord is gil. Pik, dis, kus. Pik. Pil, kus, wit. Ja, wit is korrek. Pik, dis, sit. Dit is 'n dis. Well done, everybody. You did a fantastic job. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we can learn more next time. Thank you, everybody. Listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Be safe and take care. Bye.